Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to save a CV in Microsoft Word. First, go to Microsoft Word, and if you don't have a CV template first, go to File, then New, click on Resumes and Cover Letters, and select a CV from there. So let's select this CV, for example, and click on Create. Now fill in the required informations and change the picture. And if you want to change or edit a text, just click on the placeholder and change the text. And after finishing, go to File and click on Save As. Select Browse and select file location. Change the file name and select the type of your document. So let's select PDF. Then click on Save. Or you can, let's go to File again. Select Export and click on Create PDF/XPS. Select PDF and let's change the name. Then click on Publish. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.